Imagine a world where you could absorb information like a sponge, solve complex problems effortlessly, and tap into a wellspring of creativity on demand. What if I told you the key to unlocking this extraordinary potential isn't found in some futuristic gadget or a magic potion, but resides within the intricate folds of your very own brain? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right? But here's the thing. It's not science fiction, it's neuroscience, and it's happening right now. We're on the cusp of a revolution, a profound understanding of the human brain that's poised to reshape our understanding of what it means to be human. So buckle up, my friends, as we embark on a thrilling exploration into the cosmos of your own mind. For centuries, the human brain remained shrouded in mystery, a complex and enigmatic organ that held the secrets to our thoughts, emotions, and actions. But now, thanks to the incredible advancements in neuroscience, we're finally starting to peel back the layers of this extraordinary machine. We're discovering the neural pathways that light up when we learn, the chemical messengers that influence our moods, and the intricate dance of neurons that shape our every perception. Neuroscience reveals techniques like spaced repetition and active recall, transforming our brains into steel traps for information. We're also uncovering the brain regions that spark creativity.
Hold on tight, because the field of neuroscience is evolving at warp speed. Every day, brilliant minds are making groundbreaking discoveries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Technology so advanced, they sound like science fiction. Imagine a world where paralysis is no longer a life sentence. Neuroregeneration is making remarkable strides. And what about Alzheimer's disease? Neuroscience is developing new drugs and therapies. It's not just about treating disease. Neuroscience is unlocking human potential. Brain-computer interfaces can translate thoughts into actions.
Want to optimize your brain power today? You don't need a PhD or a lab. Practical tools are available now. Start with exercise. It's like espresso for your brain. Exercise boosts blood flow and nutrients. It grows new brain cells. Diet is crucial. Fuel your brain like a sports car. Eat fruits, veggies, and healthy fats. Sleep is essential. It aids memory and cognitive function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Chapter 4. Rewiring your brain. The Power of Neuroplasticity. For centuries, the prevailing belief in the scientific community was that the brain was a fixed and immutable organ. Once you reached adulthood, your brain was essentially set in its ways, its neural pathways solidified like concrete. But now, we know that this simply isn't true. Enter the incredible concept of neuroplasticity, a revolutionary discovery that has fundamentally changed our understanding of the brain. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's remarkable ability to rewire itself throughout our lives, forging new neural connections, strengthening existing ones, and even adapting to injury or disease. This means that you are not a prisoner of your genetics or your past experiences. Your brain is not a static entity, but rather a dynamic, ever-evolving organ that can be molded and shaped through your choices and actions.
Chapter 5. Riding the Brainwaves. Technology for enhanced focus and creativity. Okay, let's talk about some seriously cool technology that's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Imagine being able to tap into the electrical activity of your brain, to visualize the ebb and flow of your brainwaves, and even influence their patterns to enhance cognitive function. That's the power of brainwave technology. Our brains are constantly buzzing with electrical activity, generating rhythmic patterns of brainwaves that correspond to different mental states. When we're focused and alert, our brains produce beta waves. When we're relaxed and drowsy, alpha waves dominate. And when we're in deep sleep, delta waves take over. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists have discovered that by using techniques like neurofeedback and brainwave entrainment, we can actually influence these brainwave patterns, training our brains to enter desired states more easily.
Chapter 6. Never forget efface techniques and apps for memory enhancement. Ever wish you could remember names, dates, and important information with effortless ease? Well, the good news is that a poor memory isn't a life sentence. There are countless techniques and tools available to help you boost your memory power and become a mental ninja. One of the most effective techniques is called spaced repetition. a learning method that leverages the power of forgetting. The basic idea is to review information at increasing intervals, just as you're about to forget it. This forces your brain to work harder to retrieve the information, strengthening the neural pathways and making it more likely that you'll remember it in the long term. Another powerful technique is active recall, which involves actively trying to retrieve information from memory without looking at the answer. This could involve using flashcards, summarizing information from memory, or teaching the material to someone else. Active recall is like doing weightlifting for your brain, challenging your memory muscles and making them stronger over time. But it's not just about techniques. There are also countless apps and software programs designed to help you memorize information more effectively.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the realm of true science fiction. Imagine a world where the lines between the human brain and technology blur, where our thoughts can directly interface with computers, controlling devices, prosthetics, and even virtual realities with the power of our minds. That's the promise of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, a field that's poised to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. BCIs work by recording and interpreting the electrical signals produced by our brains, translating those signals into commands that can control external devices. This technology has the potential to be absolutely transformative, particularly for individuals with paralysis or other disabilities that limit their ability to move or communicate. Imagine a world where a paralyzed individual can control a robotic arm with their thoughts, regaining lost mobility and independence. Or a world where someone who has lost the ability to speak can communicate their thoughts and feelings directly through a computer interface. One of the most high-profile companies working on BCIs is Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk. Neuralink is developing a highly advanced BCI that involves implanting tiny, thread-like electrodes into the brain.
In a world that's constantly bombarding us with information, demands, and distractions, finding peace and quiet within can seem like an impossible feat. But what if I told you that there's a simple yet profoundly powerful practice that can help you calm the storms of your mind, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being? That practice, my friends, is meditation. Meditation has been practiced for centuries in various cultures around the world, but only recently has science begun to unravel its remarkable effects on the brain. Through brain imaging studies, researchers have discovered that meditation can literally change the structure and function of our brains, leading to a wide range of cognitive, emotional, and physical benefits. One of the key ways meditation works is by calming the amygdala, the brain's fear center, which is often on high alert in our modern stress-filled world. By reducing activity in the amygdala, meditation helps to reduce anxiety, fear, and stress, allowing us to respond to challenges with greater calmness and clarity. But it's not just about stress reduction. Meditation has also been shown to enhance focus, attention, and even compassion.
Prepare to have your mind blown, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of brainwave entrainment, a technology that uses sound waves to influence your brain activity and unlock hidden cognitive potential. Remember those brainwaves we talked about earlier, the rhythmic electrical patterns that ebb and flow in our brains? Well, it turns out that we can actually influence these brainwave patterns using external stimuli such as pulsing lights or sounds. This process is known as brainwave entrainment, and it's like giving your brain a gentle nudge in the right direction. One of the most popular forms of brainwave entrainment uses binaural beats, which are auditory illusions created by playing slightly different frequencies in each ear. When you listen to binaural beats, your brain perceives a third beat, the difference between the two frequencies, which can entrain your brainwaves to a specific frequency range. For example, listening to binaural beats in the alpha frequency range, which is 8 to 12 Hz, can induce a state of relaxation and calm, similar to what you might experience during meditation. Beta frequency binaural beats, 12 to 30 Hz, on the other hand, can enhance focus, alertness, and cognitive performance. In a rapidly changing world, adapting and learning new skills is crucial. Our brains are wired for lifelong learning. Challenging our minds maintains cognitive vitality. Learning new things stimulates neuron growth. Stepping out of your comfort zone keeps your brain sharp. Embrace lifelong learning with endless possibilities. Enroll in a course, learn a new language, pick up a musical instrument, try a new sport, or read about a fascinating subject. Find something that challenges and engages you. Teach what you learn to others. Teaching solidifies understanding and strengthens neural connections. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of neuroscience and the boundless potential of the human brain. So check out the description to increase your brain power. Remember, your brain is the most powerful tool you'll ever own. It's the command center of your thoughts, emotions, actions, and experiences, and the more you understand about how it works, the more you can harness its power to achieve your goals, live a more fulfilling life, and unlock your full potential. Neuroscience is no longer a field confined to labs and research institutions. It's a field that's rapidly entering the mainstream, offering practical tools and techniques that anyone can use to enhance their cognitive abilities, boost their well-being, and live a more empowered life. So go out there, embrace the power of neuroscience, and unleash the incredible potential that lies within your own mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.